Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. I have a super small haul to share with you guys. So I've received some stamps from the Schwab.com. So it's the rubberstamps.com. This is what they send me. It's a big stamp for weekly and other things. So I'll be testing this out. I do have clear blocks. Just want to show you this, and they did send me a beautiful thank you note for trying them out. So super cool. And then let me show you this one. So this one is designed by Misha. I am on her PR group. I purchased some of the stickers, and she said she sent me some of the other stickers. So let's see what I ended up getting. If I could only open this package, right? Okay. So I'm just gonna make an incision on the top. These are extremely sharp. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, such a cuteness. Okay. So she included what's in my order, and then she sent me some cute stuff, and of course a thank you card. Let me show you what those are. So look at this planner clip. Oh my gosh, adorable, right? Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Perfect. And then let's take a look at her stickers. I mainly wanted to become part of her PR team because of her girls. I'll show you that in a second. So she sent me these monthly kit and some squibbles for the weekly kit. Really, really cute. And let me show you this. The items that I actually ordered. So she included a lot of freebies, but let me show you this. So welcome summer, and these are my freebies. And then we have these. Look how pretty. And then these in different color, red and pink and fitness. Wow. And then this, look at these. I'm gonna love adding these to my spreads. Look at these. I am obsessed. I'll show you guys again. Okay. So these are my little freebies, but look at these girls. Look at them. So voluptuous. Beautiful. And then this one, I really like the outfit and the lot of flowers with this. And then look at this. Hydrate, workout, meal plan, keep it going. And the little girl, the woman who's boxing. And then we have all of these. Sorority. 1922. 1920 is blue. And then we have this one, which is so elegant with the line designs. Super, super pretty. And then this one is another workout one. I really like it. Then you have these. So this is 1908. So pink and green. 1913 is red. And then this one is a package of different ones. And then you have a weekly dating kit with some scribbles, and then these. So some cool boxes. So that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, super, super quick and cute. Yeah, look at her girls. They're amazing. So Designs by Misha. If you use Kasha, KASIA 10, you get 10% off. Her stickers are absolutely gorgeous. So just join me on having fun with those. And I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching.
so high, I'm